Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now, I Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to teach you the new topic in the chapter direct and indirect speech, and that is a reporting verb. We are going to learn more about reporting verb. You can see here the four lines below is the definition, the definition which we have already learned in first part of the video, second part of the video. We'll summarize it. We'll briefly read it once again. What is direct speech and indirect speech? It is the way people express how something was said. And direct speech is also called quoted speech, is said exactly how the speaker initially spoke the words. Indirect speech, also called reported speech, is reported back not using the exact words as the original speaker, and it is written in the inverted comma. We have already discussed in the first part of the video and second part of the video. Now in third part of the video we are going to learn more about reporting verbs. Now let us see what is called reporting verb. I'll give you one example and I'll make you understand with the example that. First, let me explain while speaking. When we tell someone what another person said, we often use the verbs say, tell, or ask. These are called reporting verbs. I'll give you one example. He says, I will meet you. Sorry guys, my handwriting is not good with this pen, so I'll have to adjust. He says, I'll meet you. So in this sentence you can see here says is the like verb which is being referred as like reporting verb, and it is working as a reporting verb to report something. And what is that being reported? I will meet you. Now what we are going to do, what we are going to learn today is how to change this reporting verb. Instead of say, if tell is there, instead of tell, if ask is there, how we will change that when we are changing these things into indirect speech. So let us go ahead and we'll see how the reporting verbs are getting changed. Now you can see here reporting verb along with say will change into said, tell will change into told, and ask will change into asked. There are many other verbs that can be used to report what someone said. These are some of the most commonly used reporting verbs. That's why it has been written on the top to make you understand. Now the format for these commonly used reporting verb is reporting verb plus infinite. Now infinite, we can see to plus verb. To plus verb. So let us go and see some of the change which has been written here, how things will get changed. You can see here advice will get changed into advised, and for what purpose it will be used? To suggest what should be done in a certain situation. So if you found any sentence, any direct speech in which the sentence meaning is coming like giving suggestion, you can use advised. Now for example, he advised you should, you can go. He advised you can go. to Patna. Now this advice will get changed into advised when we are changing into indirect speech. He advised that he could go to Patna. So this is how the reporting verb is getting changed when we are changing into indirect speech. Now we'll see another, that is beg, begged. Beg will get changed into begged, and the purpose, the meaning of the sentence should come like to ask or state, to ask or state in a serious or desperate way for something needed or wanted. Wait guys. So when you are the meaning of the sentence is telling you that the sentence is saying about to ask or state in a serious or desperate way for something needed or wanted, then you can say begged. You can change beg into begged. However, you will get this reporting verb in direct speech, and you can see and you can change into that. Sometime it depends upon the like sense, what the sentence making sense, it depends upon that also, and according to that sentence you have to change the reporting verb into that way, in that manner. Now next you can see demand. Demand is getting changed into demanded. Now for what purpose? The purpose is to say or ask in a strong way. Hope, hoped, to want or desire something to happen. I hope you would pass. So I hoped that I hope you will pass in this examination. Then it will change into I hoped that you would pass in the examination. Okay, now offer will get changed into offered, order will get changed into order. So these are the reporting verbs which you can see or which you'll find in the question, and according to that. However, I have already discussed more oftenly used verbs are say, tell, ask. These are the words you will see rarely, but this is in use. It will come in your like question as well. Now we'll see answer. The format to use these commonly used reporting verb is a reporting verb plus that plus the clause. Now answer, to give a reaction to a question, it will get changed into answered. Claim will get changed into claimed. Command will get changed into commanded when you are giving an order or showing control over people. Comment will change into commented, and the purpose is to give an opinion or explanation about something. Complaint, that is if you are complaining to say that you are not happy or about something, then you can use complaint. Consider, to think about, declared. These are the words, reporting verb which you have to change according to the given form. All are in past form. You can see here propose, a repeat, a reply, report, state, suggest, threaten, a warn, warned, wish, wished. Okay, so guys, you can take the screenshot of this reporting verb, how this verb or reporting verb is getting changed into like past form when we are changing the sentence into indirect speech. Now let us go ahead and we'll go through the quiz. I hope you all will enjoy this quiz, and you are all are enjoying. You all have seen in the previous video of this chapter. Now the question is that the police fill in the blank him to get a lawyer. Now think about the meaning of the sentence. What will police say? Whether police will answer, whether police will complain, or whether police will advise. So the police will advise, and since it is in the form of indirect speech, the sentence is in the form of indirect speech, so advised will be the correct answer. Let us check the answer. Yes, it is correct answer. We'll go to the next question. Mark fill in the blank that he hated his job. Now Mark is a person here, is saying fill in the blank that he hated his job. Now what do you think? Since he is doing the job and is hating also, so whether he is complaining, proposing or suggesting, is complaining. So the correct answer will be complained. Next question we'll see. Linda fill in the blank people that something bad might happen. Now what do you think after reading this sentence? What is the sense coming out of this sentence reading? Linda fill in the blank people that something bad might happen. So the sense coming out of this sentence is she is warning people. She is not considering or offering, she is warning people. So the correct answer will be warned. Next, James fill in the blank to help them with their project. Now you can see here James is offering something. James is offering his help, right? So here the correct answer would be offered. Next question we'll see. Suzanne fill in the blank to know where the evidence was hidden. Now Suzanne is actually accepting the things that उसको मालूम है कि एविडेंस कहाँ छिपा हुआ था, राइट? सो वेदर शी इज़ एक्सप्लेनिंग और क्लेमिंग और रिप्लाइड, सो शी इज़ एक्चुअली एक्सेप्टिंग मीन्स क्लेमिंग. So the correct answer would be claimed. Now next question, the athlete fill in the blank to the reporter's question. Now you can see here whether he is offering the answer to the reporter's question, whether he is suggesting or replying. So obviously the athlete is replying to the reporter's question, so replied will be the correct answer. You can tick here and hold on. Yes, now we have completed the quiz successfully. We'll go and see another quiz. Let's go through the another quiz. That is, if I were you, I would see a doctor about the pain, Jenny said to Tina. Right? It's Janice. Janice said to Tina. Now you can see here, if I were you, I would see a doctor about that pain. So what do you think? What is the sense coming out of this sentence? Is she advising? Is she repeating? Is she suggesting or commenting? What she is doing? If I were you, think about the sentence sense. If I were you, I would see a doctor about the pain. So she is now advising her. Now next question we'll see. John told his son, I will be at your graduation ceremony. You have my word. Now think about the sense coming out from a reported speech. I will be at your graduation ceremony. You have my words. Now here you can see it is a promise being done to his son. So John promised to be at his son's graduation ceremony. Now next question we'll see. Larry said, I already told you, I don't like Chinese food, but I'll say it again, I don't like Chinese food. So what do you think? What the sense is coming from this? I already told, that he is repeating. He has told it once, now he is again telling. That's why he has written, I already told you that I don't like Chinese food, but I will say it again. So he is repeating Larry repeated that he did not like Chinese food. Next question we'll see. She said, yes, I'm in high school. Now she is actually answering, yes, I'm in high school. You can see a question was asked from her and she is replying. She said, yes. So she answered that she was in high school. Now you can see another question. I have a better way to do it, I said. Now what is the thing? I have a better way to do it. What the sense is coming? Like it is a suggestion, right? It is not advice, it is not promise, or it is not answer. I suggested that I had a better way to do it. Now next question we'll see. He said, I don't like the color of the walls. He said, I don't like the color of the walls. Now try to understand the sense of the sentence of reported speech. Now you can see here, he said. So what will be the change? What is the change taking place for the reporting speech? Said. So I don't like the color of the walls is like comment. See, he is actually commenting. So he commented that he did not like the color of the walls. Okay guys, now we have completed two quiz from the same topic, reporting verb. We have seen how the reporting verb was getting changed when we were converting the sentence into indirect speech. Now we'll meet again with next part of the chapter in next video. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you everyone and stay healthy.